Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products that look good on my acne texture skin and last all day. And for today's video, I'm going to test a new eyebrow product, and I have the new Volumizing Pencil by Benefit. This is what I have on my eyebrows right now, and I'm going to give you my first impressions on this product. And I'm also going to show you how I've created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I already have my foundation on, and for my foundation I've used this Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Foundation in the shade Ivory Nude. I've used this foundation a few times on my channel, and I have to say that it's very good, feels very nice on my skin, it's comfortable and long lasting. And for my concealer today, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in the shade Yogurt Drops. I've used this one before on my channel, and I also have a first impression video for this one. I just have to say that I really like this concealer. It's full coverage, but feels lightweight on my under eyes and stay the same all day. So I think it's a great concealer, and I also like to use this one as my eyeshadow primer. It's great because it's waterproof, sweatproof and so on. I'm going to quickly set my under eyes with this by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder. This powder is amazing, sets everything in place very nicely, but also blur and smooth the skin. So I like to use this one on my under eyes and also all over the face. So I will use it again later on my complexion because I have some cream products to use. But for now, I'm just going to set my under eyes and where I've used the concealer. For my bronzer today, I'm going to use this Rare Beauty stick bronzer in the shade Happy Soul. I'm not a big fan of the color, but the bronzer is pretty good. And I like to go over with my foundation brush with whatever's left from my foundation to blend out the edges. Very pretty finish with this cream bronzer. My cheekbones are defined, but up close everything look natural and soft. So this stick bronzer, it's also good for a no makeup look. And for my blush today, I'm going to use also something by Rare Beauty, and I have this liquid blush. So this one is not new, I've also used it a few times on my channel. I just have to say that it's a very pretty color for summer, and I also have a lot of product in here, so I think that this one will last me a very long time. And I'll use again my foundation brush to blend out the edges. Amazing combo on my acne texture skin. My skin looks very good up close, and this don't emphasize my texture, which is great. So I highly recommend this cream bronzer with this cream blush together because they are amazing. I just have to quickly mention that all of the makeup products that I've used so far, I've used them before on my channel, and I have previous videos for them. Because for today's video, I just have one new makeup product to test, and it's for eyebrows. And for the other makeup products, I'll give you some updates and impressions after trying them for a few days or weeks. But I'll list everything in the description box below, so you could find everything there. And I'm going to use again this by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder to set everything in place. And I'll move on to my eyebrows, because for today's video I have a new eyebrow product to test, and it's something by Benefit. And I have this Gimme Brow and Volumizing Pencil. This is a new brow product by Benefit, and it's very interesting. So because I'm always in a hunt for a good eyebrow product that could do something for what I have, of course I am very excited to test this one, because this one is supposed to give your eyebrows volume, which I don't have. So this is a 12-hour long wear, transfer proof, waterproof, natural looking texture, fullness, easy mess free application, packed with tiny fibers. This powder pencil volumize, fill and define brows. Sounds amazing for an eyebrow pencil. And the all-purpose sharpener, it's sold separately, which is a sad thing, because this eyebrow pencil is quite pricey and you have to get the sharpeners separately, which is not so good. So this is how this Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil look, and you have the spoolie on one side, and on the other side is the pencil. Okay, it's a powder formula, but goes on creamy and very smooth. Right now I don't have anything on my eyebrows, so let's put this on my eyebrows, and I'm going to start with this eyebrow first to see the difference between the two sides. Okay, this is how my eyebrow look with this pencil on. So far I really like the color, this in 3.5, and look very soft. I could see some volume there, but nothing crazy. So this is one eyebrow with this volumizing pencil. Let's use it also on this side. Okay, I feel like this side look way better than this side, but it's very weird because I have a mark in here and the mark is completely covered, but it's a good thing because I usually have a hard time covering that mark, but it's pretty covered with this one, and I don't have anything chunky there, so I'm very happy with the result on this eyebrow. I finished in like 2 minutes, so it's pretty easy to use, which is great. So right now I am very impressed about this one. I feel like I have a little bit of volume, and also I have all of my marks covered, which is amazing. I want to put on a little bit of this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit because I have it and I really like it, and I really want to see how these two together look. So let's use this on my eyebrows. So this is the finished result on my eyebrows. I'm going to leave my eyebrows like this for now, and I'll move on with the rest of my makeup, and I'll give you my final impressions at the end of the video, but so far I really like this one. And I'll move on to my eyes, and for my eyeshadow palette today I'm going to use this Born This Way Sunset Stripped by Too Faced. I've used this eyeshadow palette for the first time in my last video, and I have to say that I really like this one. I love all of these mattes from this eyeshadow palette. They blend very nicely, and the colors are pretty long lasting. Also the shimmer shades from here are very pretty and long lasting. So I want to use it again today, but I've just wanted to give you a little update since my last video that I've used it again and I really like it. My favorite color from the eyeshadow palette is this one, this brown shade. It's gorgeous. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's perfect. It's that perfect brown shade that I like. So I want to do something very simple and easy for today's video, and I'm going to start with this sun chaser in my crease. Use the same shade on the lower lashes, and I like to pinch the brush to have more control. Next I want to use these chai times on the outer V. Again, use the same on the lower lashes. Use a clean brush to blend everything. And next I will take these Bonfire Babes and apply it with my fingers all over the eyelids. I will take these Bonfire Babes on the lower lashes also, because it's very pretty. And I'll use this black sand closer to my lashes and do like a little wing with this one, because it's amazing, very pigmented, and it's great as eyeliner. And on my inner corners, I'm going to use this one. I think that's everything for my eye makeup. I'm going to apply mascara and also something on my lips, and I'll do this off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. For my mascara, I've used this SEPHORA Big by Definition. This mascara is amazing, makes my lashes look incredible, and it's very long lasting, so I highly recommend it. And on my lips I have this lip liner Couture by L'Oréal Paris in this pretty nude color. It's not the most long lasting lip liner, but I really like the color and it makes my lips look very nice. Final impressions on this Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. This one was very easy to use. It took me like 2 minutes to finish my eyebrows, and I really like how my eyebrows look right now. I like the color in 3.5. I like that the formula is not slippery, so you have more control to create a shape, and I also like that I could cover my marks with this one without any effort, and I like that creates the illusion of fuller eyebrows. So as the first impression, I am very impressed about this one. The one thing that I don't like is that this one don't have a sharpener, but I really like the formula and how easy it is to use. So if you struggle with the volume on your eyebrows, you might like this one. I am of course very curious about how long lasting is this eyebrow pencil, so I'm going to test it again, and I will update you about the wear in my future videos, and I will also update you if my opinion will change, because for now I really like it. I really like how my makeup turned out, but I would love to know your opinion in the comments down below. And also please let me know if you have this brow pencil and if you like it. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!